Well, God bless each and everyone okhona kule group. This is your prophet, Pastor Slindo Madwe, as promised. Ngingathembisa ukuthi uma ngabe kushona lelanga around about this time, around about 6 o'clock, I will give you a teaching which is very important ukuthi si understand thina bantu aba prophetic. So allow me ukuthi namhlanje ke sikhulume about that teaching yokwehlukanisa umehluko phakathi ke word of knowledge kanye ne gift of prophecy. Now there is a huge difference between a word of knowledge kanye ne gift ye prophecy. Lezi izinto eziwu-two but abantu abaningi abayabathi mabe bezibuka bazibona ngazathi ziyefana. Kunento ebizwa ngokuthi i-word of knowledge and kube khona into ebizwa ngokuthi i-gift. Yes, propheto. Now, let's try to unpack umehluko phakathi ke word of knowledge kanye ne gift of prophecy. Mhlambe, just to give you a clue, uma besikhuluma about i-word of knowledge, sikhuluma about okay, no angichaze kahle ngayijaha. Now, uma besi abantu abaningi bayi confuse i-word of knowledge, bayi confuse with i-gift ye prophecy. Kanti i-word of knowledge ihlukile kune gift of prophecy. I-word of knowledge kahle kahle yona isichazisela into eyenzekile kwi-past ize ifike kwi-current circumstance. So whenever I prophesy excuse me, whenever I prophesy ngizobona i-past. So ngibone something eyenzeka kwi-past and then ngibone something eyenzeka kwi-current, like lokhuzana kwi-current stage. So ngamanye amazwi i-word of knowledge izosembulela into eyenzeka kwi-past iphinde futhi isambulele into eyenzeka njengamanje. So leyo nto eyenzeka kulo muntu sokumprofeta. So let me say I'm prophesying, and then whenever I prophesy, ngibone i-past, ngibone ukuthi wena wazala ngo-1985, wazala ngomhla ka-20 ku-March. Yabo? So logo i-word of knowledge. And mambe ngiqhubeka ngiprofeta bese ngithi njengoba wazala ngo-20 March 1985, njengamanje unenkinga yoku-register noma unenkinga yoku-applyela i-ID. Yabo? So sekuyi-word of knowledge. So i-word of knowledge ikwazi ukukuthatha from i-past izokuletha ku-present tense. For the sake yokuthi ngikwazile ukubona ukuthi ngomhla ka-20 ku-March 1985 wazalwa. So logo i-part of word of knowledge. And then uma ngabe sengithi njengamanje unenkinga yoku-applyela i-ID because of ama-documents athile osanzima ukuthi wathola. So logo futhi kusayi-word of knowledge. So abantu abaningi bayabacabanga ukuthi i-prophecy ke leyo. No, kusayi-word of knowledge. I-word of knowledge isixoxela about i-past yakho excuse me, isixoxele about i-present tense yakho yalento suke yenzeka kuyona. So uma ngabe siprofeta ke abantu abaningi bayabathathe lokhu bakwenza imistake ngenxa ukuthi ngiye ngakutshela lezi zinto ezenzekile kuwena accurately. Ngangageja ngisho kodwa ngabona i-past yakho, ngabona i-present tense yakho. Abantu abaningi basebetshela ukuthi ngenxa ukuthi ngikwazile ukuscanner, ngabona i-past, ngabona i-present tense, ngayibona 100% accurate, ngangageja lutho, bese batshela ukuthi bekuyiyona prophecy leyo. Leyo akusiyona i-prophecy, kusuke kuyi-word of knowledge. I-word of knowledge ukuthi ngibona ukuthi umhla 20 March wazalwa 1985, i-word of knowledge. Ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi manje unenkinga ye-ID, i-word of knowledge. But uma besikhuluma about i-prophecy, i-prophecy it's all about a future. So i-word of knowledge will tell you about a past, will tell you about a present tense. But when we speak about a prophecy will tell you about a future. So ngamanye amazwi uboneni ngomhla ka-20 ku-March 1985 i-word of knowledge. Ngomhla 20 March wazalwa, right? Njengamanje unenkinga applyela i-ID kusayi-word of knowledge. So masisuka la siya kuphi in future, then say we prophecy. So prophecy is susa from present tense isise with future. So lokho kuba yini kubizwa nge-prophecy. So excuse me. Now, uma ngabe sikhuluma about prophecy isilethela isolution kuloko sikubone ki-word of knowledge. So lokho sikubone ki-word of knowledge kuyi-part ye-prophetic delivery. Okay? Lokho esikubone ki-word of knowledge kuyi-part ye-prophetic delivery. So ngamanye amazwi kuyingxenye yokudeliver kwesiprophet. I-word of knowledge kahle kahle yona isitshela about ama-facts mayelana nezinto umoya ongcwele asambulela zona nge-past yakho, aphinde futhi asambulele zona nge-present tense yakho. So i-word of knowledge leyo akusiyona i-prophecy. I-word of knowledge akusiyona i-prophecy. Ama-facts about the past, ama-facts about the present tense, logo akusiyona i-prophecy, but it is a word of knowledge. Now, i-word of knowledge, bantawethu, i-word of knowledge isivezela a supernatural revelation. So ngamanye amazwi, there is a revelation a supernatural uNkulunkulu asambulela yona, right? Asambulela yona whenever we prophesy. So as abantu aba-prophetic uNkulunkulu uzokwambula isambulo, because i-word of knowledge iyisambulo about i-past, iphinde ibe isambulo about i-present tense, right? So lesi sambulo esi-supernatural, ngamanye amazwi lesi sambulo sisitshela about ama-circumstances lowo mzalwane ome phambi kwethu as abaprofethi, noma lowo mzalwane ome phambi kwakho as umprofethi, ikutshele mayelana nama-circumstances adlula kuwo. Ingasho kodwa ukuthi kufuneka enze njani ukuze akwanqobe. Kusuke kusayi-word of knowledge. Mabe esakhombisa uNkulunkulu masekhombisa izimo adlule kuzona kwi-past nadlula kuzona njengamanje, but engakokutshela ukuthi sizoyilungisa kanjani lenkinga kusayi-word of knowledge, akukabi i-prophecy. Funeka wazi umehluko phakathi kwe-word of knowledge and i-prophecy. Then i-word of prophecy yona is supernatural revelation about a future event. Angithi manje ngithi i-word of knowledge is supernatural revelation about a past kanye ne-present tense. I hope uyabhala. I-word of knowledge is supernatural revelation about a past kanye ne-present tense. Then bese kuthi ke i-word of knowledge ibe is supernatural revelation about a future. I-word of prophecy is supernatural revelation about a future. So ngamanye amazwi isitshela about ama-future events. As much as siyibonile i-past, sayibona i-present tense, then uNkulunkulu bese sambulele ama-future events, ama-events that will take place empilweni yakho concerning the past and the present tense esodlule kuyona. So mabe sesitshela about a future ke manje, we call that a word of prophecy, right? Now njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-word of prophecy is supernatural revelation mayelana nama-future events. I-word of knowledge can bring ilokhuzana, i-word of prophecy can bring credibility to the word of ilokhuzana, to the word of prophecy. So ngamanye amazwi i-word of knowledge iyakwazi ukutriggerisha iyakwazi ukutriggerisha is prophet. So as soon as ngibona i-past, as soon as ngibona i-present tense, lokho kuzokwazi ukutriggerisha yini i-future. Okay, so i-word of knowledge is lidela kwi-future, and i-future suke word of prophecy. So ngamanye amazwi akusho ukuthi asiyidingi i-word of knowledge, siyadinga i-word of knowledge because i-word of knowledge iyona i-activator i-prophecy. So umsebenzi we-word of knowledge, number 1 ukuboost faith yakho, and then number 2 uku-activate noma yes uku-activate izwi lesiprofeto. Okay. Oh, Sharabaka say yeah. Now, I will tell you one of ama stories eske sawabona ezwini a confirm i-word of knowledge ukuze ibonke i-word of knowledge iyinto esezwini. Now, uma besicheka la sithole story ukuthi uJesu wakwahamba yokha amanzi emfuleni. Wakwaya emfuleni, right? And uma ngabe ehlangana emfuleni ehlangana nomuntu wesifazane. Yes. Nangu lo muntu wesifazane lo ahlangana nawo uJesu nange ezicelisa amanzi kulo muntu wesifazane. And then uJesu wayesemtshela ukuthi no mina ngamanzi okuphila. Then wayesethi umuntu wesifazane nginikeze lawo manzi engiyowaphuza bese ngingabe ngisoma ngabe ngiseza futhi ukuzokha la. Then uJesu wayesethi ke hamba uyobiza uhusband wakho eze la, and wesifazane waphendula wathi anginayo uhusband. So why said uJesu mangibusengena ngi-word of knowledge. I-word of knowledge izwa i-word of knowledge singena uJesu. We said uJesu ke usho kahle ukuthi awunayo umuntu wesifazane, awunayo umyeni ngenxa yokuthi usuke waba nabahlanu. Yebo. And nalo futhi onaye akusiyena owakho. So yabona ke i-word of knowledge uthi njani. So ngamanye amazwi imdonse kwiphasi ukuthi useke waba nabahlanu. Yabona into esikhuluma ngayo. So i-past ithi useke waba naba-5. So nalo anayo njengamanje akusiyena owakhe. Yabo manje umdonse from ilokhuzana i-word of knowledge. So ngamanye amazwi i-word of knowledge ikwazile ukumkhombisa ukuthi kwi-past useke waba nabantu besilisa abahlanu, and kwi-present tense unaye umuntu wesilisa anaye, but futhi nalo anaye njengamanje akusiyena wakhe. You understand? So i-word of knowledge isebenza kanjalo ke ikwazi ukusidonsela from i-past isilethe kwi-present tense. So enye into ofuna kuyiqaphela emprofeti wami ile yokuthi kunabantu abathi i-prophetho lezi zokuthi ngithi let me prophesy, and then I see in number 07840902224. Is it your number? Bese ngithi mina yes. Bese athi all right. Ngihlehlela ku year 2013 year 2001 ngihlehlela ngibona ngise Chesterville. Uma ngise Chesterville ngibona ngise number 16 Funda Avenue, Chesterville 16 Funda Avenue, Chesterville Funda Avenue. Bese ngithi mina yes ilabe ngathi ngihlala khona esekhaya lapho. So abantu abaningi bayabathi ke lezo prophets sa exist. No, zisa exista. Very strong. This scriptural. Njengoba ubona noJesu wakwazi ukwenza the same thing. So naloko ku-scriptural uNkulunkulu angakwazi ukungambulela i-past yakho, akwazi ukungambulela ne-present tense yakho. So even ifone number yakho angakwazi ukuyembula. Yes, of course, yes. Even phone number yakho, even i-address yakho, even i-ID number yakho angakwazi ukuyambula. Even i-number plate yakho angakwazi ukuyambula. But the biggest challenge of nasibambe kabantu akwethile ukuthi uma ngabe sowuyibonile ke i-number plate yami, wayibona i-ID number yami, wayibona i-address yami, wayibona i-phone number yami. So siyaphi ke mase sisuka la. Nansi into ebalekile ukuthi masisuka lana ke. All right, of course, yabona usibonile kuwazile ukunembe i-ID number yami, wanemba everything. So what now? Kuzokwenzakalani ke after this? Then ke bese isilidela kwe-future. Akusho ukuthi laba abaprofeta ama-ID numbers, abaprofeta ama-addresses, abaprofeta ama-number plates ba-wrong, ba-right ku-scripture. Nangu noJesu naye washo uJesu wathi unamadoda ube namadoda 5. Njengamanje uneyodwa engasiyona yakho, yabo? So ukuba kuthiwa kuyikhathi amafoni number wayoza umtshela ukuthi unendoda enenumber eqala ngo-074, yabo? Kwakupossible. Ukuba kuthiwa esekhona ama-cellphone number wayomtshela ukuthi wena ube namadoda amahlanu and enye lamadoda enye yawo kade isebenzisa u-073. Example, ngenza isibonelo. So ngenxa ukuthi manje leya dispensation yayikade ingenawo ama-cellphones, so thina sinama-cellphones. So wamtshela lokhu ukuthi wena ube namadoda amahlanu. which is number 5. Njengamanje unenye kodwa engasiyona yakho. Do you understand? So ngamanye amazwi i-word of knowledge iyakwazi ukulida like i-prophecy, and then masisuka la ke siyapi. All right, ngiyayinqamla le ukuthi ngiqhubeke no part 2 on the other side.